Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to use the flash fill option in Excel, which is one of the amazing feature in Excel that can save a lot of time on the time you are doing any task. Let's say for example we have a list of names, customer names or actors, and we want to separate the first name and the last name in each column. Okay, so the idea here for this flash fill is to feed the Excel with the pattern that we need the Excel to follow in order to fill the columns with the correct data. So we have two different names here. We have names consist of three names, and we have names consist of two names only. So we need to type each name in each column separate. For the first name, we'll type Robert in column B and C De Niro, and column for Jack Nicholson also will do the same. And after that, we'll stand in this next row to Jack, and we'll click Control E to replicate the same pattern into the remaining cells. And we'll do the same in column C by pressing Ctrl E. And that's how you can use the flash fill. I hope you enjoyed this video, and please do not forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel to receive the new updates.